Hi there, and welcome to the Advanced series in our 7-Figure Mastery Program. In this first module of our 7-Figure Fire Sales Part 3 Advanced series, we'll be learning more about the sales funnel, a critical component when it comes to making and increasing sales for your products. Are you ready? Let's get started. By now, you must be wondering, what on earth is a sales funnel? Well, a sales funnel is a marketing strategy. It is a series of different stages specifically designed to move your prospects from the beginning where they gain awareness of your brand or product to the point where they end up purchasing your product or products as customers and repeat customers. It's named that way due to its diagram's resemblance to a funnel. The top consists of larger numbers of prospects, potential customers, and then narrows down to smaller numbers of convinced, committed customers of your product, like the actual household tool used to transfer liquids from one container to another while preventing spills and waste. This funnel also serves to increase the probability of your securing online sales while maximizing your resources while reducing the chances of losing customers. Each stage comprises of individual or multiple marketing tools, such as landing pages, emails, and the like, depending on what you're hoping to achieve with your sales funnel. An effective sales funnel is the key to a successful digital business. It's how well you plan and execute it that sets your online business apart from the rest. It's dependent on whether you understand each phase of your funnel and can successfully strategize and monetize the different stages along the line. Not convinced? Well, then here are 4 main reasons why you need a sales funnel. 1. If you sell only one product today, it's suicide. No successful business has ever made money by selling just one product. 2. If you're not selling it, your customers will buy it from someone else. Make that you instead. 3. You stand to make more money for the same amount of effort. 4. Your affiliates are more keen to promote you as they are able to make more commissions as well.